Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your Fliki account. First, unlock your phone and open the Fliki app. If you don't have the app yet, you can just download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once the Fliki app opens, you will see the welcome screen. You might think that it is the screen for the registration, but the Fliki does not have separate screen for login, so it is same for both. Now please make sure to choose the option with which you had created the account. Once selected, enter your valid or registered email address. After that, tap on the next option and please make sure to enter your valid password, then tap on the submit button. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the Fliki dashboard inside the app. From here, you can just start creating AI videos, adding scripts and generating voiceovers. And that's it, you have successfully logged into your Fliki account. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.